Welcome to the Pros Say Hack the Website live stream. They hacked into my website and caused me to lose several days of people calling trying to get in to get stuff done. So what are we going to do about that, Coach? Well, right now we're going to have a hack the website sale. If you need something off the website, you need to call me. I'll tell you how much you're going to be saving by getting what you need now. Yeah, on this weekend. This is the weekend for the hack website live stream sale that we have in the hack sale. 913-240-0227. They got me jacked on Facebook, so I can't leave a comment, but I can make a new band. I'm right there. 913-240-0227. Okay, now let's just kind of get on what we got going on right here. So, yeah, they hacked my website, shut me down for a few days. Did the best, and I get to punch them back. And it's really funny because the infection, the virus that they used, it rerouted everything else. And the website team was like, so how? I said, dude, we'll figure out. Well, I don't know, Coach. I didn't like yeah. Okay, so I got to thinking, especially after we saw how organized there was, what they did to us. It took my team. And thank you, team, Humera and Marina. Thank you guys for working your butts off to get us back up and running in the 4 days. All right, so you guys get to relax and watch what happens to these people who started trouble. I already know they're sitting over there right now. Wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, those people sitting over there, they did the little thing, and they had all these everywhere and sending my stuff all over the place. Okay, well, I'm just like IT people. We ain't gonna spend a whole lot of time on the what. We're gonna address the why. We're going to address the why. But you know what? We're going to touch on the why to still kick your butt, but then we're going to end on the why, because the why is going to make you cry. So I got to thinking, if I'm going to send somebody a virus like that to jack up all their stuff, and I had the money to make it, a professional hit, I'm going to make sure that I have their traffic routed to my people. Because come on now. That's the shit part of why they do hacking in the first place. Well, to slow you down and to steal your traffic. Okay.